what's going on? So today we got a video by Cold Blue Cam, and the title of the video is how a man stole 2 PlayStation 5s in broad daylight. Yo, I remember there was a time where PlayStation 5s for my gamers out there, y'all couldn't even get a hold of them. You feel me? Now they everywhere, and now they about to come out with the PS5 Pro, and it's like $700. It's crazy, man. But anyway, man, let's get into the video.
In September 2023, Pierce County Sheriff's deputies were dispatched to an armed robbery at a GameStop store in South Hill, Washington, when a vehicle crashed into the front of the building. The store had not been boarded up since then, making it vulnerable when a completely different individual entered and carried out the robbery. The suspect, later identified as a 34-year-old male named Randall, was first seen entering the store to ask what had happened before leaving. He soon returned with his hand in his sweatshirt, claiming to have a gun. Randall ordered the store staff to the back room and told them to grab items. He proceeded to steal over $1,500 worth of merchandise, including 2 PS5s and Switch consoles, before fleeing on foot. Deputies soon arrived on scene to get a suspect description and direction of travel.
Oh, that boy put the pedal to the metal. Hold on.
Did he say he came back here? All right, I'll go back that way. 72, we go with that description one more time.
White male, his 30, 6-foot window, gray hair, face tattoo, black hoodie, gold chain.
Proceed.
This is like this.
Yeah, so this was already like
this. This was last night, yeah.
Yeah, someone drove through last night.
Did he have a black backpack?
He might have.
He was walking on Meridian down that way then.
Yeah.
What did he take?
He made me open up the back, told me he had a gun, and he took a whole bunch of PS5s, Switch controllers.
So he took PS5s? Like multiple of them?
Yeah.
So did you, I mean, he would have
He
been...
had a backpack. I don't know the stuff in the backpack.
How many PS5s?
A couple, two PS5s, and
okay.
A whole bunch of controllers.
All right, we'll be back.
Wear a hoodie, right?
That's a lot of stuff, yeah.
These tattoos.
And chains. If you want to talk to him, I'll go take a look real quick. See, he was heading south.
I don't think he has face tattoos. We're all walking down. He has a gray hoodie and a black backpack.
I'll take a look.
The woods, they located a shopping cart along a fence with the 2 PS5s and several merchandise belonging to GameStop.
You know what I was gonna say, when they were actually at GameStop and the dude said, yo, I see him walking down with the backpack. But if he took those big merchandise, I'm thinking in my head, like as I'm watching it, I'm like, well, he probably ditched that someplace so that way he could come back to it later. And you know, so when they catch him, they probably don't got nothing on them, and you know, he don't got nothing on them and stuff. But yeah, damn.
Dog's still working. Fence line of burger up in the neighborhood. Corner down there, but. Mommy.
Canine ice then indicated on a fence, suggesting that Randall may have jumped over it. With this information relayed, it was confirmed that a neighbor had also seen a man jumping a fence.
Is there anybody on that side? Is anybody on the perimeter? Or dogs indicating he may have possibly jumped the fence near 9911 140th Street 40s.
So they came over the fence.
This is 9911, so 27 would be just that way, just a couple.
Where?
I think there is that trail. If you want to walk down that way. You want me to see if there's a access point this way? Yeah. I think it's not too much further because there's the end of the field right there. It should be.
Is that locked?
I can try. I might have a key to that one.
Oh man! Call you the locksmith.
That was easy because it wasn't locked. So. Okay, dog's coming out to 140th Street East.
Yeah.
Was he in a garage or a shed?
Maybe, I don't know.
They persisted in tracking the vicinity where he might have jumped over the fence when Canine Ice displayed interest in another yard.
Hello, police.
When they searched a backyard shed, they noticed the objects inside were stacked oddly. Despite announcing themselves, there was no response until a deputy decided to take a closer look.
Bro, yeah, you are. No, the dude that stole the is running down the road right now, bro.
Whoa, yeah, full roll.
No, the kid tried throwing all the over the fence, bro.
Oh man, see, this is a classic case of shut the F up. Nobody ain't even say anything about stealing anything. And you just said, oh, the guy that stole the stuff is running down the street. Nobody ain't even say nothing about that. Like, you're done. You talking about, oh, I didn't even do anything. Why? All the criminals always say when they get caught, I didn't do anything. Well, why are you in somebody else's shed? Do you live here? No. So what? But I ain't gonna lie, that was a nice little hiding spot. If they ain't have that dog, I don't know if they would have found him, because he got in the shed and had the stuff on top of him. Like, he buried himself in the... That's a good little hiding spot, I ain't gonna lie. He did his thing, he tried. But good thing he got his stuff together, because they was ready to put boots to him. I already know.
The one you guys don't got me on camera doing anything. I know you don't, because I didn't steal anything.
None of the stuff in there?
Yeah, he was just sitting down facing...
No, I mean
Oh, what? Yeah, the dude was in here.
no, but I mean the PlayStation.
Oh, no, that's on the other...
Oh, you guys found all
Yeah,
that
yeah, we
stuff.
got that. That's by my car on the Virgo side.
You want to use your car? Oh, yeah. We checked the next yard. I looked over this man.
That's good eyes by Jet. Nice work.
As they escorted Randall to the squad car, he repeatedly attempted to break free and demanded to be released.
Get these motherfucking cuffs off! You're gonna get these cuffs off me, homie! Get these cuffs off! Is that what we're doing?
Oh yeah, you don't want to act right?
Get these cuffs off me!
Sir, we'd like you to calm down.
Get these cuffs off me right now!
You're under arrest.
No, I'm not!
Stop resisting.
Get these motherfucking cuffs off me! You just busted my face open and my knees open, you piece of shit! Did I see this?
You ain't want to act right?
Assaulting me! Ow! Get these cuffs off me! You just broke my hand, you piece of shit! You broke my hand! Did you hear me?
Yeah, you're screaming and I'm sitting right here.
Get the off me! Can you to take me down?
They got him in his drawers. Oh, man.
My hand's broken, bro. Stop. You broke my hand. I can't get up like that. Stop. I'm serious.
You're not really cooperating with me.
I will if you undo the...
They got him tied up like a stuffed pig.
No, I promise you I'll get up politely. I promise.
Nope.
Do I need to wrap it around again?
Dude, please. You can't. You broke my hand, dog. I'm serious. I'm serious. I'll act polite if you undo them, please.
No.
I will right now. Please undo them. My hand's broken, dog. We're gonna go back. I never did anything, man. I fell asleep in the shed, dude.
We'll just go.
I'm homeless, dog. I'm tired.
Gotta uncross his feet. There we go. That. Oh, there we go. That's the stuff.
Every time I...
He said, I fell asleep in the shed. I'm homeless, dog. Listen, you ain't got to worry about being homeless no more. Listen, they got a nice a nice spot for you downtown, man. I'm trying to tell you, it's gonna be like, listen, if you homeless, listen, this is gonna be like a 5-star hotel, man. Listen, bed and breakfast. Not only that, they got lunch for you. They got dinner for you. You ain't gotta pay no electric, none of that. And you get a nice bed all to yourself, man. Or they got you a bunkie, you know what I'm saying? You know, I mean, whatever. It might get a little crazy at night, you know what I'm saying? But they got a nice bed for you, man. You gonna lay on a metal mattress. You know what I'm saying? The mattress gonna be so thin, all you gonna feel is the metal underneath, okay? You ain't gotta worry about nothing.
I fall asleep somewhere else and then people still on my shit.
That doesn't mean you have to act like this.
Sorry, dude. No, it's not, dude. You slammed me on the pavement. Me first, dog. Hold up. Stop. My hand's broken. I'll get up if you undo these off my feet politely. I promise you. I put that on everything I love. I promise. I swear to God, dude. I'm not joking. I'm not going to run or nothing.
Seriously.
One shot. We'll give you a shot.
One shot, please. I promise.
One shot.
I'm not going to run, dude.
We can leave those on.
All right, we're on your side. Sit up.
Oh, dude.
Stand up. 1, 2, 3. One more chance. Okay, stand up.
I'm trying. My feet are together, bro.
Up like a bank.
I can't. My knees touched up. Hold on, please. I can't.
Don't cry now. Should have just walked to the car.
Can't be used to in front of law. Because we're on time to talk to the lawyer.
We got to the back part of the fence.
Don't get by a Jeep.
Talked about
Don't get by a Jeep.
Hi, you guys are good. We got the guy, so you guys can lift your lockdown.
My homie's name, Brian Dyer.
Brian.
It's Mike. Yes, I just notified both schools. We got the guy Kanan. Well, we found him hiding in the back of the shed. So, yes, Fur Grove and Blue have lifted lockdowns. They know what's going on. Yep, you're welcome.
All I did was go in and ask the guy what happened, bro. That's all. And my buddy went back in after, tried to rob him, dude. That's it.
Lots of tattoos. Face tattoo. Neck tattoo. I mean,
Shocking, right?
crazy. You just kicked my f***ing window!
You don't want to act right?
Off. They're too tight. They're hurting my hands, bro.
So we start screaming and kicking?
I asked you to help me. I asked you to help me, and you said no.
You screamed
no,
at
lady.
me.
I asked you to help me, and you slammed the door in my face like I'm a bitch. That's what you did. I asked you politely.
No, you didn't.
The f I didn't. Don't try to play tough now, because I did.
Going back in the hospital.
I asked you nicely.
You already tried to kick out my window. You're going
No,
back
I
in the
asked you
hospital.
nicely, lady.
Put your feet back in the car.
Will you undo these cuffs a little bit, please?
No.
I asked her nicely,
No,
man.
he's getting
She's
off. He
lying.
already
She's
got
full
the
of
warning.
shit.
It's on camera.
Is it on camera?
Yep.
Oh, go ahead. Prove it.
Come on,
It's on
you're
camera.
putting me
You're
back in the
doing the
huddle.
f***ing seatbelt.
Getting out of the car. Get out of the car.
Don't. Back on the ground
Don't.
again.
Go
On your knees. On your knees. On your knees.
I'm trying, dude. These cuffs are f***ing tight, bro. That's all.
Gonna tie you up like a pig.
I can't. It's not the cuffs are too tight. What the f***? Dude, undo the cuffs. They're cutting my circulation off, dude. You guys see this? This is police brutality. I just want the cuffs undone a little bit. That's all, man. I'm begging you, please.
Don't move your hand, okay? Just relax. I know. Perfect.
I just want the cuffs undone a little bit, man. That's it.
They're better. We did it.
No, the other wrist is broken, dude. That's all I asked, man. And your officer was getting f***ing rude. Don't act like you weren't, because you were. Lie to me. You're on camera being rude.
Okay, how do I want to set him up or?
You act like because you're a cop and a woman, you got a badge and you're better than me.
Hey, come on, buddy. Come on.
Can you help me up, please? I'm not going to fight nobody, dude. That's all. I just wanted to cuff him a little bit.
You can't kick and scream though. That's not gonna work.
I had to get the seatbelt on there. It was cutting my circulation off, bro. I asked her to do it. You slammed the f***ing door in my face like I'm a bitch.
So,
ask her, she'll tell you.
One per. You went over there.
Go on the other side.
Then drag him. So. Grab here. Pull it like that.
Got it.
Dude, you guys are gonna take me to the f***ing hospital, dude.
Or jail.
No hospital. My f***ing hand's broken, bro. That's my f***ing head.
I'll pull him.
A little bit more. There you go.
Ah! You can't pull me like that's my f***ing head, bro. My head's hitting the f***ing door.
Well, obviously.
I'm too tall for this shit. Ah! What the f***?
Well. Just went to jail now.
Upon running his info, it was discovered he had an active warrant for his arrest. Depu'd the correct person in custody. His unique fashion choice of wearing his pants below his ass allowed them to match his underwear to that of the individual seen on video, along with his tattoos. While en route to the jail, he persisted in kicking the windows of the squad car and managed to free himself from the hobble. He continued to scream the entire ride and banged his head on the back seat cage. Ultimately, Randall was charged with felony counts of first-degree robbery and kidnapping unlawful imprisonment. The bail amount set for him remains unknown due to the limited court information available online.